introduce the bylaws of the CFU from 1957.
We have that out here.
Pristine.
50th anniversary program book.
50th anniversary of the Lodge program book from 1957. Where's our historian?
Taking pictures. It's the dues. You still owe. Pay up.
The membership roster. They can't do the whole lodge.
No, it can't.
That's probably the corporation.
Well, we do have a whole thing.
Smells old.
The 60th anniversary celebration of the CFU, 1954. So I think this one here would be the members of the nest, and that would be the members of the lodge. Because that's a little more like 1,000 members. And thank God we're very relieved of looking at this because it's typed. Because if you've seen the handwriting from back then. Oh, bylaws of the National Croatian Home, 1953. We have a political ad from the Auditor General, Frank Szymanski. February 5th, 1958. It just got delivered for the Postal Service. We all know those delays.
It's not your fault.
Oh yeah, I know. It's not the post office fault. Keep going. Your indication times have changed. The front is Croatian. The back of the newspaper is in English.
Oh, the love notes.
I wonder if he was from the news.
Jim Anderson News. Congratulations. Don't know what that is. From the Detroit News?
Yes.
All right.
So there you go. One of your reporters.
Oh,
now
the
it's
news
relevant.
reporter.
Here we go. Rudolph Calumet of Calumet and Berger General Contractors. Best regards. So those are the guys that actually put the building up.
And now we know who to call to get the stone out.
The stonemasons were Matosh and Sons Company. Stonework done by, it says on the back.
Where were they at?
Of Melvindale, Michigan.
Wow.
You know, Dave, wherever you are from the stonecutters, this is how the cards looked back then. So. This is on the stationery in the Croatian National Home Corporation. In memory of two wonderful boys, George Jaksic and George Manish, who gave their lives so that people can live a better life. Signed, Mary Matosh. And ribbon from the opening ceremony with the religious medallion on the end of it. Dave from Anchor, remember I told you there's no way in hell there's money in this thing? Lots of nice things, no money. And this is the last item here. We're going to try to unroll and hopefully not break. Considering it's been sitting in the wall for 52 years, it looks pretty good here. Sealed, yeah. Anybody? We have,
Translated.
it looks like a declaration and a list of the officers at the time. Pretty fancy writing and February 9th, 1958.
Try to read some of the names.
Yeah. We will get this set up on the side so you guys can all come on up here and take a look at it in a few minutes. But, so that is what was in the time capsule. Mark, congratulations on doing that without hurting yourself. No blood.
No one got hurt in this.
All right, everybody, have a good time. And in a few minutes, we're going to get the band up playing.
Try to get this running. Yeah.